What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I'm bringing you trainings every single week on the latest marketing trends, tools, and resources that are working best right now to help you start your online business or break through the current plateau that you might be facing in your business right now to help you go from stuck to unstoppable. If you're a full-time creator or entrepreneur and want to see behind the scenes what it takes to build an 8-figure online business, join me on my journey as I go after this next huge goal of mine. We haven't officially met yet. My name is Doug Boughton. I'm the founder of Full-Time Freedom. And 3 years ago, I was waiting tables full-time in a restaurant, barely scraping by. And since then, I've done a lot of cool things, including documenting my own journey to 7 figures, building my online business, where you could actually check that out inside of my Facebook group, linked below in the description of this video. But now I've decided to go public here on YouTube, so you can follow me step by step on my journey to building an 8-figure online business. And I want to share with you behind the scenes what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, why I'm doing it, and hopefully to give you some inspiration to grow your business so you can implement the top strategies that are working online right now. And if you like what you hear in this video, be sure to give me a like and subscribe to my channel so we can hang out more often and I could share with you the marketing and business strategies that are working best today. So I currently do a lot of things, but right now I'm mostly focused on our customers and clients inside my signature coaching program called the Full-Time Freedom Academy. In 2019, after serving restaurants for over 8 years, I hit rock bottom and I had to work doubles 7 days a week just to keep up on my interest-only student loan payments. And since then, I decided that enough is enough. And I decided to start researching online how to build a profitable online business so I can become financially free from debt, a job, and building everyone else's dream but my own. And since then, I've been able to earn the ClickFunnels Dream Car Award in 2 months after starting my online journey full time. I was able to pay off my 6-figure student loan in full. 18 months in, I earned the ClickFunnels 2 Comma Club Award, earning over $1 million online without any paid ad strategies. I built up a multiple 6-figure passive income in my first 8 months of being full-time online. And now today, I've earned over $1.75 million in digital marketing consulting and education. I recently joined Russell Brunson's Inner Circle, which was a massive goal of mine from day one. And to date, I've helped hundreds of clients make a full-time income online. Now I help aspiring entrepreneurs create and grow their online business to attract high-paying clients so they could build the life that they deserve. And to date, we've now served over thousands of customers with our online consulting and education programs. So I want to take you on a journey of watching behind the scenes of exactly what I'm doing to build a multiple 7-figure per year business so you could do the same. And if you're anything like me, when I first got started online, I'm sure there are many things holding you back online when it comes to building a successful online business. Maybe it's having no idea where to start. I can help you with that. Maybe it is understanding the tech or the strategy behind building a successful online business. I've got you covered there too. Or possibly it is that you are spending too much time and money on paid courses and programs that you are not currently implementing, or organic strategies that you are spending too much time on with little to no results. It could be running expensive paid traffic to your website or funnel with lower conversions than expected. These are all the topics I plan to help you solve as fast as possible with this channel. The problem I see out in the market right now is there's an abundance of information out there that most entrepreneurs are sharing that they're still testing and sharing before they even know if it really works. They're really good at sales and persuasion, but a lot of them lack the fulfillment and delivery side of what it takes to build an online business and get results for their customers. Most importantly, you'll discover on this channel that I love to over-deliver and provide valuable trainings and insights that are proven, tested, and are working today. My mission is to go through the trial and error so I can bring back to you what is actually working for me today in marketing in real time each and every week here on this channel. So what results can you expect from watching and implementing the trainings here on this channel? You will be able to build a business that you feel proud to share so you can create a life that you love. If that sounds good to you, subscribe to my channel and check out one of these 2 videos I'm about to show you in the recommendations at the end of this video. And side note, be sure to read the whole description below this video to get more information how I may be able to support you in your online business. And lastly, I'm curious to get to know you a little bit more. So if I could ask you to share, comment below and tell me, are you brand new to online business? Have you been in business for months, years, maybe even decades? Tell me below in the comments. And to help me make this channel as successful as possible, also tell me below, what is a topic that you'd like me to cover that would help you break through the problem that you are facing in your business at this very moment? And with that said, I appreciate you and thank you for watching. If you want to keep in touch, like this video, comment below, subscribe, and hit that notifications bell so you never miss an episode. I will see you on our future videos.